Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download songs on Spotify. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first open up Spotify, and then one of the easiest ways to do this is just to create a playlist of all the songs that you want to download. So obviously you can just click on the three dots next to the song, and then you can select add to playlist. And what you can do is create a new playlist at the top. Then you can just make this downloaded songs. Then select create. And obviously you can pick more songs that you want to download. And once you've done this, just select your library at the bottom right. Then go to that playlist. And you have two options in which you can download these songs. So you can click on the three dots in the middle of the page, and it should give you the option to download there. And you can also click on the downward facing arrow, and once that turns green and the songs turn green, that means the music is being downloaded. You will, however, need a premium account. They are offering lots of 2 or 3 months free trials, so you can obviously get that if you wish to do so. And that's how you can download songs on Spotify. Thanks for watching.